So I love my M2 Max MacBook Pro, and ever since I got it, I've been rocking it in a sleeve. I've been mainly using this one from InCase, and I got it from the Apple store, but I wanted to try something different. So I have something from CASETiFY, and it's gonna be pretty interesting because it's Powerpuff Girl based. So let's get right into it. Feels like I was opening up a present. This is the impact case for the 14-inch M2 MacBook Pros. I think it fits the M1s as well. And as you can see, it's a Powerpuff Girl case. I'm super excited about this. I've been wanting to get the impact case for a while now, but I decided to hold off on it because I've heard things saying that a case or a screen protector could damage the MacBook. But I'm taking a risk with this one. But I've had a hard case like this on my 16-inch i9 MacBook Pro, the 2019 version, and I've had no problems, so I shouldn't have any problems with this one. Let's go ahead and unbox it. It's been through a lot. There's already like an opening here. Have anything else? That's it. I'm so excited for this. I'm not even gonna lie. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's just the impact case from CASETiFY, but what makes this one special in particular is this. So I chose this design. I think there's one or two more designs from CASETiFY, and it's so cute. Oh my goodness, I'm in love with it. Let's put it on. Here's my M2 Max MacBook Pro. I'm not even gonna clean this thing. I'm just gonna slap it on there. I can see why, if treated with less care, it could damage the screen, but so far so good. I think it's just if you're putting it on and taking it off. Now for the bottom part. Bottom part's just plain with a bunch of holes on the bottom. And it snaps in the same way. There we go. Of course, it does give it more thickness, but whenever I put it into my backpack, I don't need this sleeve anymore. I'm pretty sure the case will do the trick just fine. And all in all, it's just gonna be one less step to starting my workflow, because if I were to take this out of my backpack, I would have to take the laptop out of the sleeve as well. But with this, I can just slip this into my backpack without having to worry. Oh my gosh, I am so in love with this thing. Just look at this, wait. Boom. Oh my goodness.